दोस्तों, क्या जब आप इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं तो अटक जाते हैं? जब आप इंग्लिश में किसी से भी बात करते हैं तो आपका दिमाग ब्लैंक हो जाता है, आपका दिमाग में कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं आते हैं? तो इस वीडियो को आप कंप्लीट देखिए, क्योंकि दोस्तों इस वीडियो में हम आपको सिखाएंगे प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस से 100 से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन, जो दोस्तों डे टू डे लाइफ में काफ़ी उपयोग होगा। और जब आप इंग्लिश में क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तो आपके माइंड में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, तो जो कि आप इजीली किसी से भी पूछ सकते हैं। तो ये वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है दोस्तों, इसलिए इस वीडियो को कंप्लीट जरूर देखें। तो चलिए दोस्तों, आपका समय का ज़्यादा लेते हुए चलते हैं बोर्ड में और एक एक सेंटेंस को देखते हैं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, एक एक करके पूरे 100+ क्वेश्चंस को देखेंगे कि एक से लेके पूरे 100 क्वेश्चंस सारे के सारे इंग्लिश में ही है, हिंदी इसमें हम यूज़ नहीं करेंगे। तो चलिए दोस्तों, क्वेश्चंस को स्टार्ट करते हैं। आर यू टेकिंग ब्रेकफास्ट नाउ? आर यू टेकिंग ब्रेकफास्ट नाउ? इज ही स्लीपिंग राइट नाउ? दोस्तों, आप किसी से पूछ सकते हैं, इज ही स्लीपिंग राइट नाउ? आर दे प्लेइंग इन द पार्क? आर दे प्लेइंग इन द पार्क? Is he watching TV? Is he watching TV? Are you studying for the exam? Are you studying for exam? Next. Is he driving to work? Are they waiting for the bus? Are they waiting for the bus? Is he cooking dinner? Is he cooking dinner? Next. Are you listening to music? Are you listening to music? Is he reading a book? Is he reading a book? Are they talking on the phone? Are they talking on the phone? Is he writing a letter? Is he writing a letter? Are you working on your computer? Are you working on your computer? Is he swimming in the pool? Is he swimming on the pool? Next. Are they dancing at the party? Are they dancing at the party? Is he singing a song? Is he singing a song? Are you playing the piano? Are you playing the piano? Is he running in the park? Is he running in the park? Are they walking to school? Are they walking to school? Is he drinking coffee? Is he drinking coffee? Next. Drinking coffee. Is he drinking coffee? Are you waiting for the train? Are you waiting for the train? Is he playing video games? Is he playing video games? Are they shopping for groceries? Are they shopping for groceries? Is he cleaning the house? Is he cleaning the house? Are you taking a shower? Are you taking a shower? Next. Is he fixing the car? Are they playing basketball? Are they playing basketball? Is he painting a picture? Is he painting a picture? Are you learning a language? Are you learning a language? Is he teaching a class? Is he teaching a class? तो दोस्तों, ये वीडियो बनाने में काफ़ी मेहनत लगा है। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो एक लाइक जरूर करें और एक प्यारा सा कमेंट जरूर करें। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। यूरोप। आर दे ट्रेवलिंग टू यूरोप? इज सी वेटिंग फॉर अ टैक्सी? इज सी वेटिंग फॉर अ टैक्सी? आर यू ईटिंग लंच या आर यू टेकिंग लंच? इज सी वर्किंग इन द गार्डन? इज सी वर्किंग इन द गार्डन? आर दे प्लेइंग बोर्ड गेम्स? आर दे प्लेइंग बोर्ड गेम्स? इज सी मेकिंग अ केक? Is he making a cake? Are you taking a breakfast? Are you taking a breakfast? Is he driving to the airport? Is he driving to the airport? Are they visiting friends? Are they visiting friends? Is he doing homework? Is he doing her homework? Is he doing her homework? Next. Are you playing tennis? Are you playing tennis? Is he taking a walk? Is he taking a walk? Are you waiting for a call? Are you waiting for a call? Is he reading the newspaper? Is he reading the newspaper? Next. Are they having dinner? Are they having dinner? Is he washing the dishes? Is he washing the dishes? Are you brushing your teeth? Are you brushing your teeth? Is he taking a bath? Is he taking a bath? Are they watching a movie? Are they watching a movie? Is he listening to the radio? Is he listening to the radio? Next. Are you drinking water? Are you drinking water? Is he driving his car? Is he driving his car? Are they playing cards? Is he making a phone call? Is he making a phone call? Are you waiting for the bus? Are you waiting for the bus? Is he working on his computer? Is he working on his computer? Next. Are they eating ice cream? Are they eating ice cream? Is he taking picture? Are you learning to swim? Are you learning to swim? Is he playing with his dog? Is he playing with his dog? Are they going for a walk? Are they going for a walk? Is he drinking tea? Is he drinking tea? Are you waiting for a friend? Are you waiting for a friend? Next. Is he reading a magazine? Are they shopping for clothes? Are they shopping for clothes? Is he cooking breakfast? Is he cooking breakfast? Your hair. Are you washing your hair? Is he driving his motorcycle? Is he driving his motorcycle? Are they planning saucers? Are they planning saucers? Next. Is he writing an email? Is he writing an email? Are you talking to your friend? Is he listening to music? Is he listening to music? Are they watching a TV show? Are they watching a TV show? Is he eating an apple? Is he eating an apple? Are you drinking juice? Are you drinking juice? Next. Is he playing the guitar? Is he playing the guitar? Are they dancing at the club? Are they dancing at the club? Being in the chair. Are you playing basketball? Are you playing basketball? Are they walking in the park? Next. A book. Is he reading a book? Are you studying for the test? Are you studying for the test? Is he working from home? Is he working from home? Is he working from home? Next. Are they going to the beach? Are they going to the beach? Is he cooking dinner for guests? Is he cooking dinner for guests? Are you listening to an audiobook? Are you listening to an audiobook? Is he reading a newspaper? Is he reading a newspaper? Are they talking to their parents? Are they talking to their parents? A story. Is he writing a story? Next. Project. Is he swimming in the lake? Is he swimming in the lake? Are they dancing at the wedding? Are they dancing at the wedding? Is he singing a song? खेल रहे हैं. We are playing. वे लोग गा रहे हैं. They are singing. They are singing. Next. It is raining. बारिश हो रही है. It is raining. The dog is barking. कुत्ता भौंक रहा है. The dog is barking. Next. The cat is sleeping. बिल्ली सो रही है. The cat is sleeping. The children are playing. बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. The children are playing. The birds are flying. पंछी उड़ रहे हैं. The birds are flying. Next. I am reading a book. मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. I am reading a book. तो इसको हम लोग नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में बना सकते हैं. जैसे मैं किताब नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ. I am not reading a book. वो टीवी देख रहा है. He is watching TV. He is watching TV. She is cooking dinner. वो खाना बना रही है. वो रात का खाना बना रही है. She is cooking dinner. Next. तो अगर दोस्तों मेरा वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को और घंटे का बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए दोस्तों, क्योंकि दोस्तों आपके लिए ऐसे ही यूट्यूब वीडियो अपलोड करते रहते हैं. तो चलिए दोस्तों मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.